Hello, welcome to this demonstration of our mobile application. This was a group project called SpdDmn that was part of an undergraduate mobile programming course at Florida State University. The goal was to create an application that would in some way measure the speed of a moving object. We did this in Android Studio using OpenCV technology. I will not give you the development details, but I'll just give you a quick demonstration. So the way it works, you just pick two landmarks and you focus the viewfinder at the base of one landmark and you tap the Set Distance 1 button, and then you focus at the base of the other landmark and set the distance to the second landmark. Then as an object traverses the distance between the two of them, you set the time the object passes the first landmark, and then you set the time that the object passes the second landmark, and then you tap Calculate Speed, and it will give you the change in distance over the change in time. Let's give it a try. So here I'm approaching the base of the tree, and I click Set Distance 1, and it shows me that that's a distance of 1.6 meters. And then I aim the viewfinder at the far landmark and hit Set Distance 2. And it says that's the distance between those two trees is a little over 7 meters, roughly. And then I toe the line and I click Set Time 2. And then I traverse this distance. I didn't mean to film that guy there. And then when I cross the finish line, I hit Set Time 2. And it shows us that that was 13.415 seconds. And then I click Calculate Speed. And it shows us that we were moving at a speed of 1.182 miles per hour. And now we will try to measure the speed of a moving vehicle. Probably not good to film yourself walking across a street. So I'm going to measure the speed of a vehicle between these two telephone poles. So I'll aim at the base of the first landmark and set that distance. It reads at 1.47 meters. And now here's a real limitation. You can see what happens as the angle of the viewfinder gets closer to level. There's a lot of jumping around in the measurement of the distance. So I tried it once, and I think I got not quite 20 meters, which I didn't feel was accurate, so I refocused. Tried again and got 38. Big jump. So 37.25 meters, that might be about right. Okay, and now we just need to wait for an unsuspecting vehicle to drive by. Here we see this vehicle's headlights coming on. So when it gets to the first telephone pole, I'll hit Set Time 1. When it gets to the second telephone pole, I'll hit Set Time 2. And there it goes. And Set Time 2. And I did that a little bit early, so probably was a little bit longer than 2.6 seconds had elapsed. And then we just click Calculate Speed, and it shows us that that vehicle was moving at 31.986 miles per hour. And I think that's I think it's a 25 mile an hour zone, so that might be pretty close actually. So definitely a fun little project. I want to thank my partners who I worked on this with, Trung, Nguyen, and Yasser, Atiya. Definitely fun project, and thanks for watching.